Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. So as always, let's remove the comments first. Then I think we'll need one div, so I'll just first remove it all. Okay, so this becomes our A. Now star background, and I'll give the background this one. Like the only thing I'm using the div for is this bigger square. The rest all I'm thinking of making with plus star, as it would make the things a lot easier and smaller. So now I'll first make the small square, so let's switch on the difference. So width, which I think will be 50 maybe, and height also 50. Then comes background, which will be this color. Paste. Also let's change the color here before I forget. Okay, now the next, okay, it's a little bit big than expected, so 40. Yeah, 40 looks quite perfect. Also let's rotate it, so rotate 45 degree. So now we have to like margin 100. So I need to increase this margin a little bit. The top one has to increase 110. No, 100. Maybe decrease 90. Yeah. And this also 90. 95. Okay, this seems to be around 81 or something. 81, it'll do 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Yeah, and maybe here also. No, here it has to decrease. 3, 4. Maybe like even those lines are visible, so it is 7.5. And the other one should be, it looks a little bit off at the 95, so 95.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 94.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 94 looks better. Let me increase the size a little bit. So there is still a little bit difference, which maybe can't be eradicated. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, there is a visible difference. 95. Still 96. Increased, so 95.1. It is quite a lot in continuation only. 3. Yeah, now it's more unmoving, I would say. So now I'll use box shadow to obviously make all the other squares, but first I need to give the color to just make the things a lot simpler. Let's paste it. And now I'll, as always, give 64Q and 64Q. Almost there. Maybe 63. Yeah, quite much. So the next one will obviously have one value of 63 only. So I'll write 63 or 64. I oftentimes get confused. So 1 2 3q maybe. Okay, I'd say my bad. 63q, not 63, 64. 124, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, looks. It doesn't look so. It seems to be quite perfect. Also, now I have to give one 0q value because of this. Like, we have to keep one value 0 now. And other will be, I think, 63q. Okay, it has to be in minus. Fair enough. Now these 4 values, like this will have the same length almost, so I'll give it, let's give that value 127q and 0. It was less than required. 88, 9, 90. Yeah, and now there needs to be another one, so 190q, and the other one will be minus 63q, and as you can see, it is placed at where it should be. Now these two will have the location similar to these. So now first of all, 63q and maybe minus 64q. 74, 84, 94. Wait, my bad. I was going in the wrong direction. 104, 11, 12. It was quite near here. 15, 16, 17. And now 127q and minus 127q. Let's see once after switching off the difference that is there much to do. Doesn't seem to be, although we'll see after we submit the result. So position fixed to reveal it. Ow. Hundred is too big, so maybe 50. 50. I'll also give margin here. Although we can give top and bottom value also, but still. So I'll give a margin of around 100 and 100 first, which is too much. Maybe 50. No. Okay, it has to be, the size has to be more than 50, maybe 60. 40, 30, 20, 10. It requires minus values. 20, 30, 40. Yeah, this looks better. And 90, 80. 80 looks perfect. Let's submit it and let's see what the problem is. There seems to be a little bit difference there. Let's see. Okay, so 597.5. 99.9%. I'm not satisfied by that. Let's see what more we can do. First of all, I think I should see the margin value a little bit. It is at almost the same locations. I know this method is weird to check, but I don't know why I think it works. Okay, so maybe here 63.5. Like maybe a little bit difference is required there. I'm just going to check it once. So no one knows. So 0.5 and 0.5. Let's see if the score increases from 597.5. It instead decreased. Dude. Let's then switch to the original solution that we had. Yeah, dot code. So that isn't the change we need to make. Maybe they're defining it a little bit in the locations. So maybe 86. So we are seeing it according to 87.5. Let's make it 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it makes it almost invisible. 88. And what if I go 4, 5, 6, 7, 1? So 95, 94.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. I'll need to change the coordinates a little bit for the shadows. Just check once. Wait, it increased, which means I got a little bit right. .1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, and the other one will be I think 63. Okay, a little bit more defined location for this one. I don't know will it make that much of a difference, but let's see. It is same, which means it's right. So maybe instead of 127 it has to be 126.5 or 6. Let's make it 63. Yeah, and like wherever there is 64, let's make it 63 instead. Also 62.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 63.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 64. Let's check once more. If the value has changed, that means what I did just was wrong. It changed, dude. Again, my solutions. Not this one, not this one. Load code and 126.7, I think, right? 8, 9, 7 looks better. And then 63. So this also means that here the value will also change. 6.7. 6.7. Does it make it any better? 7. I can't even remember which one's value is this. Alright. Yeah, so this was this one's, right? So 127.123. So this one's value will be 127.3 and this one has to be changed to 126.7. Any better? It rather decreased. So I don't know how we'll get to the original solution. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. I try to make a solution myself and show it in tomorrow's video. So that's it. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.